Imagine you are going to visit the tallest building in the world with another person. When both are at the top of the building, the other person gives you a little challenge. He drops a small object from the top of the building. You have to tell him how long it will take to fall to the ground, but you have to tell him before he dropped it. Also, do not use a clock and instrument to measure time. Do you accept the challenge? Is it possible to say the exact time before the object is dropped? Yes, this can be done. For this you need to know the height of the building. This is a simple method that can be easily understood by anyone. An equation helps us for this. Anyone can try this at home. Let's see how to do this. For this we need to be aware of a few little things. Let's see what it is. First we need to know the height from the ground to the place where the object leaves. That is the height of the building. We represent it with the letter S. Here we choose the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Its height about 830 meters. Therefore the value of S here is 830 meters. Second, we need the speed at which the object drops from the top of the building. It is the initial speed. We represent it with the letter U. If we release the object slowly without throwing, the initial velocity is 0, then the value of U is 0. The third factor is gravitational acceleration. No matter what country or height you are in, the value here is 10. This value is constant on Earth. It does not change. We denote the gravitational acceleration by the letter G. Then G is equal to 10. The final point is time. The time it takes for an object to fall to the ground. We denote this by the letter T. Let us now look at these 4 points as a summary. S is equal to 830 meters. U is equal to 0. A is equal to 10. D is the time we need to search. Now we can calculate the time it takes for an object to fall down using a simple equation that connects the numbers we are talking about. Here is the equation. S is equal to U multiplication T plus half multiplication U multiplication T square. It may seem a bit large, but let's simply examine this. Now you can solve this. When a number is multiplied by 0, the answer is 0, so multiplying U and T is outside the equation. Now this is even simpler. Although we want to get an answer for letter T, but we got an answer for the square root of the letter T. Now when you get the square root of T, we get the answer we need. Getting the square root here can be done easily, even from the calculator on your smartphone. Now you have time for the object to fall to the ground. It takes about 12.8 seconds. Here you have to replace the height equation with a meter. You also need to understand that if you throw an object down a certain speed, its initial velocity is not 0. For the starting speed to be 0, it must be dropped slowly without being thrown down. In fact, if you've seen this video so far, I think you are a person who likes to explore and experiment with new things. What we did today was make a simple prediction from science. You can test this in practice, even at home. Then measure the time with the clock. If you would like to know more about such interesting things in science in the future, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button. In addition, comment below what you know about this. Share to let others know about this.